Hello, this is Nadia and welcome to Xuver live sessions. We had already two live sessions about the experiences clients and architect or designer are having regarding projects that were designed and also about the perception between these two parties. Today we will approach a different subject, different parties, in this case architects, designers and construction companies. There are details and issues that may appear during the construction of a specific project and the changes that may occur. It's never too late to make a change in the project if a better idea comes up. The main issue being the possibility of it and the options architect can give to the construction company. Let's say there is a project that was approved by the client, but during the construction the designer had a different vision of a space than the architect, and during the designing process the client also wanted a change in the project. It is human and normal to change your mind while you see the house being built and you understand you would like to have another option. If it is still possible to request, the request is sent to the architect, and if he or she finds a solution, then it goes to the construction company, and later the changes are made. So we have three parties involved in it, a lot of communication and explanation of the intention or change. Along with a 2D floor plan, it is so much easier to have a close-up communication with the option to show the change in the 3D model to the construction company. They can easily access it from a mobile, and being at the construction site, compare the information online. If there will be a question, you can easily answer as well as by showing exactly what you mean in the model with everyone present. In Xuver, we can give you this option. Architect is making the change, shares the link with the construction company, and all together they enter the scene and discuss the change. Here I'm sharing my screen, and we will talk about a specific situation and the solution to it. I won't include 2D floor plans as they will be sent to the construction company for exact measurements and details. Okay, so I'm sharing my screen. I will also ask a colleague to enter the scene. And we will mimic an online conference. Waiting a bit for him. Until he appears, I will show you what we have. Here I have a situation and the structure that has already been built. You see here are the stairs. I'll turn on the laser pointer. So here are the stairs, the space allocated for bathroom, and against the stairs you can have a nice closet as the stairs are close to the entering zone. So this is the situation that has been built, and to change it would require a lot of work and money. This stays the same during the next request. So next, we have the design from the architect's project. Right here. So here is the closet, as I said it. Here is the space allocated for the bathroom. This bathroom is for guests, and it wasn't supposed to be big, just strictly necessary things. A shower, a toilet, a sink, and a deposit. Okay. So while designing, when the client saw the designer's idea to make the bathroom bigger, he agreed it would be an advantage. The client didn't need such a big closet and wanted to make the bathroom bigger as well as including a bathtub in it. So the design changed the structure of the room. This idea goes to the architect, and if it is possible, the architect finds the solution and sends the changed 2D floor plan. First, he or she will move this wall. Oh, here's my colleague. So this is our online conference about the situation. So as I said, the design changed the structure of the room. And if architect finds a solution, then sends the 2D floor plan. What architect did is he moved this red wall 50 centimeters to the left. Again, I won't show 2D floor plan. This, of course, will be sent separately with dimensions and details. So architect moved this wall 50 centimeters to the left. Closet became smaller and bathroom bigger, as well as there appeared a space for a bathtub. Also, architect changed the configuration of the room. Shower went against this wall near the window, and the toilet instead of a shower. Because of water tank of a toilet, this wall has to be thicker. So we go to the final version of it. Here it is. So, as I showed in a previous example, wall is moved 50 centimeters to the left, closet is smaller, wall is thicker. We have a nice space for the bathtub, the shower, and the sink. Also, it is important to show the water connection as well as canalization. If the engineer says it is still possible to change them and they all agree, the work starts. So during this conference, we can talk about these changes online and see if everyone agrees with them. We walk together here and see how everything should be. As I said, and I will repeat again, if questions appear, we can easily ask them and discuss them online. Also, there are interesting situations to discuss. For instance, I put a water tap on the wall. The engineer can ask what does it mean to make a hole in the stone or to cover the connection with a panel that will be up until the mirror. This is, of course, a very naive situation as the architect won't put it like this, knowing it has to be more complex. But to give you an idea about how seeing the model online can solve problems before they appear. So in this case, the architect can say, no, please use a standard water tap not coming from the wall. Also, seeing the 3D model and walking in it gives you one more time the option to check if this is in fact how it's supposed to be and if you didn't make any mechanical mistakes in the project. Also, it comes in handy to make some quick measurements, and I'll show you how. For a general idea, I'm going to measure this distance to 80. And here it is the 30. Okay, I think this is it. Thank you again for joining me today, and I hope you had a good time. I hope this was helpful for you as well. And I wanted also to mention one more thing. To talk to a person in the model, you have to turn on your microphone. Okay, I think that's it. So I wish you a very nice weekend, and I hope to see you next week on a new topic. Take care, everyone. Bye.